Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for Igcse students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know students, we have started chapter number 3 name Indices and Surds from your course book, and we completed from exercise 3.1 to 3.5 and did first 3 questions from exercise 3.6. The topic is, you can see on the screen, solving equations involving surds. What are surds you know very well, but if you are new for my channel, kindly first go to playlist. There is a folder ADMAS where you can get full command on this topic if you watch previous lectures. So I suggest you, if you are new, then go to playlist and watch previous lectures. Thank you. So I am going to start question number 4, exercise 3.6, and the question is you can see on the screen, solve these equations from part A to part K. So let's start question number 4, part A of exercise 3.6. Part A is 2x minus 1 square root is equals to x. Solve means to find the value of x, but we should taking square on both sides, because without eliminating square root we cannot solve the equation. So how to eliminate square root? There is only one way, that is taking square on both sides. This square cancelled by this root. 2x minus 1 is equals to x square. Then x square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and we solve this quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratic equation by using middle term break method or by using completing square. But for this question I will apply completing square method because it's easily converted into a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So a square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to a minus b whole square, and x square minus 2x plus 1 is x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Taking square root on both sides in order to eliminate square, so it will be x minus 1, square and root cancel, and square root of 0 is 0, and therefore x is equals to 1. This is our answer of part A. Come to part B. Part B is x plus 6 square root is equals to x. Again you are seeing square root, so squaring on both sides. Square and root cancel. X plus 6 is equals to x square. Then x square minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. This time I am applying middle term break method to factorize this quadratic equation. Minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. X minus 3 plus 2 x minus 3 is equals to 0. X minus 3 x plus 2 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2. But don't say this is our final answer, x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2. The only answer is x is equals to 3. This minus 2 is not admissible, not possible. But the question is why? Why I am not taking minus 2? I am not including minus 2 because whenever we solve equations which are related to radical, square root, we always check the answer. How to check the answer? Just put the value, put the final answer in the question. X is equals to 3, and if we put x is equals to 3 in our part B, so 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 root is 3, and x is equals to 3, therefore 3 is equals to 3. It means x is equals to 3 is acceptable. Now put minus 2 in the question. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. 4 square root of 4 is 2, and 2 is equals to minus 2. This is not possible. 2 cannot be equals to minus 2. Therefore x is equals to 3 is only answer. So always put the values verbally, not necessary to show all the working. Come to part C. 2x plus 3 root minus x is equals to 0. 2x plus 3 root is equals to x. Again taking square on both sides, square and root cancel. 2x plus 3 is equals to x square. Then x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. X square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equals to 0. X minus 3 plus 1, I am applying middle term break method. X minus 3 x plus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 1. But the only answer is x is equals to 3. X is equals to minus 1 is not acceptable. Why? You can just put the value, both the values of x in the question. If you put x is equals to 3 in the question, part C, you will see that 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 3 9, square root of 9 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 is equals to 0. Satisfied. And if you put minus 1 in the question, 2 1s are minus 2, minus 2 plus 3 is 1, and 1 minus minus 1 minus minus plus, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 cannot be equals to 0. So minus 1 is not acceptable. Okay, come to part D. So always check the answer by putting the value in the given question. This is only way to verify your answers. Let's have a look part D. Part D is 10 minus 2x root plus x is equals to 1. 10 minus 2x root, first shift x on other side, it will be 1 minus x, taking square on both sides, square and root cancel. 10 minus 2x is equals to 1 minus x square can be expanded by using a minus b whole square formula. 1 minus 2x plus x square. So x square minus 2x plus 1. Shift this minus 2x on this side, it will be plus 2x, plus 10 on this side, it will be minus 10 is equals to 0. So this 2x and this minus 2x cancel each other. X square 1 minus 10 is minus 9 is equals to 0. This can be converted, x square and 9 can be converted, 3 square is equals to 0. Now apply a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b is equals to 0. This should be equals to x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 3. This time our final answer is minus 3. Plus 3 is not acceptable. Why? You can just put the question, the value in the question. Minus 3, if you put minus 3 in part D directly in the question, you will see minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 10 plus 6 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4, and 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is equals to 1. But if you put plus 3, you will get wrong answer. Your left hand side will not equals to right hand side. So you can check each and every part. Come to part E. What is part E of question number 4? X plus 15 square root is equals to x plus 3. Again taking square on both sides. Square and root cancel. X plus 15 is equals to x plus 3 whole square will be x square plus 6x plus 9, and x square plus 6x plus 9 minus x minus 15 is equals to 0. X square 6 minus 1 is 5. 5x 9 minus 15 is minus 6 is equals to 0. 6 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 6 is equals to 0. Taking x is common, x plus 6 minus 1 is common, x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now x plus 6 and x minus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to minus 6 and x is equals to 1. But your answer is only one value, that is x is equals to 1, because this one can only satisfy directly your question part E. But if you put minus 6 in the question, you will get wrong values. Left hand side will not equals to right hand side. Come to part F. Part F is x plus 4 root plus 2 is equals to x. X plus 4 is equals to x. This 2 is becomes minus 2. Again the same process, taking square on both sides. Square and root cancel. X plus 4 is equals to, apply a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. X square minus 4x plus 4. Now this 4 directly we cancel this 4. So x square minus 4x minus x is equals to 0, because we have shifted x on this side. X square minus 5x is equals to 0. Taking x is common, x minus 5 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 5. But the only answer is x is equals to 5, because 5 can satisfy the question. If you put 5 in the question, you will get 5 plus 4 9. 9 root is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is equals to 5. But if you put 0, you will get 2 plus 2 4, and 4 cannot be equals to 0. Okay, so always satisfy whenever you solve equation related to involving surds. Part G. X plus 5 root plus 1 is equals to x. x plus 5 root is equals to x minus 1, taking square on both sides. Square and root cancel. X plus 5 is equals to x square minus 2x plus 1. Then x square minus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now x square minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1 3 minus 4x plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. Taking x is common, x minus 4, 1 is common, x minus 4 is equals to 0. And now x minus 4, x plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 1. But the only answer which is acceptable is x is equals to 4, because minus 1 will not satisfy the question. Kindly check each and every question. I left this work for you. Come to part H. Part H is 4x minus 3 root plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. First, shift this minus 1 on other side, it will be plus 1, and plus 2x becomes minus 2x. And now apply square on both sides. Square and root cancel. 4x minus 3 is equals to 1. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. 4x square minus 4x minus 4x is minus 8x plus 3 plus 1 is 4 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. But before we apply middle term break method, if you reduce this equation by dividing the whole equation by 4, so it will very easy for us. 4 cancel 4, x square minus 4 to the 8 plus 4 1 the 4 is equals to 0. So if you convert this question as x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0, then x is equals to 1. What I did, I just close this x square minus 2x plus 1 is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to a minus b whole square. But this question can also be solved by applying middle term break method. Okay, so x is equals to 1. Now check this value. What I told you, check each and every value. I am putting this value x is equals to 1 in the question. So question is, I am writing over here, checking for x minus 3 plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So put x is equals to 1. 4 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. Minus 1 cancel 2. Plus 1, 2 is equals to 0. You know 2 cannot be equals to 0. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Therefore, I have to write no solution, because only one value of x and this value of x is not satisfying our question. Hope you understand. Come to part I. Okay, so part I is square root of x is equals to 2x minus 6. Taking square on both sides, this cancel to square root, it is x. Apply a minus b whole square formula. A square is 4x square minus 2ab. 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24. 24x and plus 6 square is 36. So 4x square minus 24x and plus 36, and shift x on this side, minus x is equals to 0. 4x square minus 24x, sorry, 24x and minus x is minus 25x plus 36 is equals to 0. Again you are seeing a quadratic equation. So I am applying middle term break method. I am using calculator. 36 fours are 144 and 16 nines are 144, and 16 plus 9 is 25. So 6 minus 16x minus 9x plus 36 is equals to 0. Taking 4x common, so x minus 4, taking minus 9 is common, x minus 4 is equals to 0. X minus 4 and 4x minus 9 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 9 shifted over there, plus 9, 9 upon 4. But the only answer is x is equals to 4. Why? Because 9 upon 4 will not satisfy the question. How to satisfy? Right now you know very well. Come to part J. Part J is 3x plus 1 root minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Very easy question. Shift minus x minus 1 on other side, it will be x plus 1. Taking square on both sides. Square and root cancel. 3x plus 1 is equals to, apply a plus b whole square formula, x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. 1 cancel by 1. X square minus 3x plus 2x is minus x is equals to 0. Taking x is common, x minus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 1 and x is equal to 0. This time we have to take both the values 1 and 0 both, because both the values satisfy the question. You can check by putting x is equals to 1. You will see left hand side is equals to right hand side, and you can put 0, x is equal to 0 in the question. Again you will see left hand side is equals to right hand side. So sometime both the values acceptable. Okay, come to last part, k. Last part, k is 2x plus 3 minus 20 x plus 9 root is equals to 0. Shift this minus root 20x plus 9 on right hand side, so it will be plus 20x plus 9 root is equals to 2x plus 3. Now squaring on both sides, square and root cancel. 20x plus 9 is equals to, apply a plus b whole square